Want to export your beautiful Figma designs like this one to PDF in just seconds? Here's the fastest way to do it. First, open your Figma project and select the frames or pages you want to export. You can export a single frame, multiple frames, or the entire page. Before you export it, first you need to go to this export section here and press on the plus button, and then select PDF file. Now press on export untitled. Press on export now. Now select where you want to export your file and click on save. After it exports, you can just click on the WinRAR zip that it downloaded, and you're gonna find your PDFs inside. You can launch them like so. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.